Hello everyone, hi Bacha Party, good morning all, how are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and safe at your homes, and I hope you celebrated your Rakhi very nicely. Yes, which festival you celebrated now before few days? Yes, Rakhi, है ना? So let's start study, okay? You all are doing well, good, nice job, है ना? So in chapter number 2 we already done the new words, है ना? And hope you wrote in the notebook and the tick the correct answer. Okay, now it's time to do the circle the correct words. It's time to do the exercise once again. So we will start with the exercise. Yes, class 2. Class 2, and what is the subject? EVS, है ना? And which chapter is going on? Which chapter is going on? Chapter 3. Which chapter is going on? Chapter 3 is going on. Okay, and what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is clothes. The name of the chapter is clothes. Okay, so which exercise we are going to do? This wala exercise number B. First exercise, this tick the correct option we have done. Now it's time to do this wala exercise number B, this wala. Okay, so circle the correct word. You will not write in the notebook. This exercise, tick the correct option, circle the correct word. No need to write in the notebook. Okay, do in the book only, है ना? Okay, now yes, now what is the heading? What is the heading? Circle the correct word. Okay, this is your heading, है ना? Now in this I am going to write number 1. Let's see what is number 1. We get cotton from cotton plants, oblique jute plants. Once again I will read this for you. We get cotton from cotton plant, oblique jute plant. So which statement is correct? What word is correct? We get cotton from jute plant. This is correct? No. Yes. So what is correct? We get cotton from cotton plant. This is correct word. So this first one, cotton plants, is the correct word. So we will make the circle on that word. Okay. Now I am going to write. We get cotton from cotton plant, oblique jute plant. है ना? And the full stop. So we get cotton from cotton plant. This wala is incorrect. This is not correct. So we will make the circle on this word cotton plant. है ना? So make it circle over here. Okay. We get cotton from cotton plant. Many times I told you, we already done the exercise, we already done the explanation, and I already told you how we can get the thread from cotton plant. And this Khargon is very famous for cotton crops, है ना? We all are getting white gold. White gold means the cotton, है ना? In this area. Okay, now let's see. What is number 2? Yes. Cocoon are Mad by what? By cockroaches. Oh my god. Huh? What I explain you, what I told you, what I taught you. What I taught you? What is the right answer? What is the correct answer? Cocoon are made by cockroaches. Yeah, she. No way. Then what is the right answer? Yes, when we will boil the cocoons, then we will get the silk thread. So right answer is silkworm, है ना? So we will make a circle on this correct word. Cocoon are made by silkworm, not by the cockroach. Okay, now let's see what is number 3. Pupil who do special job. Pupil who do special job. Wear what? Wear what? Uniform oblique jeans. Which one is the right answer? Which one is the right answer? Pupil who do special jobs wear uniforms or wear jeans. When we will wear jeans? When we will go out, है ना? When we will go in any party, है ना? When we will go to the market, that time we all will wear jeans. And jeans is common for all people. Jeans is very common for all people, है ना? And which word is written over here? The special sorry. Sorry. Which word is written over here? The word special is written over here. Special means कुछ अलग. Special means विशेष, है ना? Special means विशेष. We can call special in Hindi विशेष. So here we are not talking about the common people. Here we are not talking about the common people. So we will talk about the special people. People who do special jobs. People who do special jobs wear jeans. No, jeans to everyone can wear. Jeans to I can wear, you can wear. Are you doing a special job? Are you doing a special job? No, na. Papa is doing a special job. Mama is doing a special job. I am doing a special job. But my uniform is sari. है ना? So this word jeans is very very common. Jeans तो everybody can wear, whether it is a child or it is a woman, it is a man, it is a old woman, old man. Everybody can wear the jeans, but everybody cannot wear the uniform. But everywhere cannot wear the uniform. Your parents cannot wear uniform. है ना? Why? Because they are not student. You are student. You will wear uniform. है ना? Policeman. We can't wear. I can't wear the वर्दी of policeman, which the policeman or woman can wear. I can't wear because I am not a policeman or not a policewoman. है ना? So those who are doing a special job, they will wear special uniform. So this word special is the right word. So we will put the circle on this word, है ना? Now let's see what is number 4. Silk cloth is very what? Silk clothes. Cloth is written over here. Silk cloth is very weak oblique, very weak oblique durable. What does that mean by durable? What is the mean by durable? Now let's first understand the meaning of weak. Weak means what? Weak we can call in Hindi kamzor, है ना, no long life. And durable, durable means the reliable, विश्वसनीय, जिसपे आप विश्वास कर सकें, जिसकी लाइफ लंबी हो. That means durable. So silk cloth is very weak? No, silk cloth is very durable. It's very attractive. It's very nice looking. It's very colorful and it's very durable. Durable means the life of silk cloth is very long. It is very durable. So this word durable is the correct word. So we will put the circle on that word durable. Okay. Now let's see what is number 5. Rayon, है ना, rayon and nylon are natural oblique man-made. Rayon and nylon are natural or man-made. Which word is correct over here? Rayon and nylon. I already explained you about the synthetic fiber. I already explained to you about the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber means the man-made fiber. Synthetic fiber, you can say the artificial fiber. Synthetic fiber we are creating in the labs, in the laboratories. Okay, so here natural, this word is correct or this man-made word is correct? Which word you will relate with rayon and nylon? Which word you will relate with? Natural. We are getting rayon and the nylon from plants. We are getting rayon and nylon from animals. No. We are getting rayon and nylon from ourselves. This artificial thread we are creating in labs. We are the creature of this thread. So this word man-made is the correct word, है ना? So this word man-made is the correct word, है ना? So here we are finishing the circle, the correct word. Exercise number B. We are finishing over here. Which exercise? Exercise number B, है ना? Once again, I will revise for you and you will do with me. When you will watch this video, that time get ready with your book, with your pencil, your eraser, your sharpener. We can say get ready with the study material. And dear students, one thing I always told you, I always repeat, whenever we are in the classroom, I always told you that don't use eraser again and again. Using eraser again and again, it's not good for you. It is not a good habit. Think, write. Think and write, है ना? So you no need to use the eraser. Okay? So try to use less eraser. Hope you understand. Okay, now once again I will read and you will do with me only. We get cotton from jute plant. No, this is incorrect. This is wrong. So what is correct? Cotton plant is correct. So we made the circle on that word. Number 2, cocoon are made by cockroaches oblique silkworm. No, cockroaches is the wrong answer. We read in the chapter. We learnt all about the silkworm. So silkworm is the right answer. People who do special jobs wear jeans. No, jeans to every common people can wear. So what is the right answer? Right answer is uniform, है ना? Then silk cloth is very weak. No, this answer is wrong. Weak means कमजोर here. And silk cloth is very durable. बहुत long life के होते हैं. So durable is the right answer. Now number 5, rayon and nylon. इनका नेचर से कोई लेना देना नहीं होता है. नेचर ने इनको नहीं बनाया है. We human are creature of this fact. So what is the right answer? The right answer is man-made. The right answer is man-made. So here we are finishing this exercise. Circle the correct word. Okay, now we will do number C, fill in the blanks. This wala. We will do number 3, this wala. Okay, so I am going to rub the board and we will do the fill in the blanks, number C. Okay. Okay, now let's see what is in number C. Fill in the blanks. With the word given in the help box. Okay, fill in the blanks with the word given in the help box. So here you can see, dear students, this is yellow wala portion. This yellow wala portion is your helping box. Helping box means this box will help you to fill all these blanks. Okay, so here I'm also going to make the helping box. Okay, help box है ना. Here I will write as it is, whatever is written in your book. Okay, I made my helping box. है ना. This is my helping box. Okay, helping box means this box will help you. अब help you का मतलब क्या? Help you का मतलब तो मदद करेगा. किस चीज में मदद करेगा? खाना खाने में, हाँ, खेलने में, सोने में, रोने में? No. This helping box will help you to fill all these blanks. Whatever blanks are given in your book, this helping box will help you. है ना? So let's see what is number 1. Let's start with number 1. What is written over here? Children. है ना? Children wear dash in school. What you are wearing in the school? Jeans, shirt, frock, evening gown, skirt. Huh? You wearing all these things? No. Then what you are wearing? Which word? Let's see. Leather? No. Cocoon? How we can wear? No. Uniform? है ना? So this word uniform is the right word. है ना? So we will write this word over here. Uniform. है ना? All the children wear uniforms in school. है ना? You all are wearing, you all are children, you all are students of this Gokuldas Public School, and you all are wearing the uniform, and all students of in all over the India, if they are the part of any school, whether it is a private school or it is a government school, every student has to wear uniform. Even student, those who are doing studies in colleges, they also wearing the uniforms, है ना? So uniform, which word we will write? We will take uniform from here and we will write in this blank place. Okay, now let's see what is number 2. Fleece is the dash on a sheep's body. Okay, let's see, let's read. Fleece is the dash on a sheep's body, है ना? What is fleece? Fleece means the fur. Fleece means the fur, है ना? Which an animal has on her or his skin. Okay. Fleece means the woolly hair. Fleece means the woolly hair. Woolly hair, woolen के जो hair होते हैं on the body of sheep or yak, we call fleece. Okay. So here once again we will go here. Okay. Now fleece is the leather, no cocoon, no uniform. So we already wrote in number 1. So which is the right word here? Yes, here is the right word. So we will write here over here. Okay, fleece is the hair on a sheep's body, है ना? Now let's see what is number 3. Silk thread. Silk thread are separated from what? Silk thread are separated from what? हाँ, silk thread किससे separate किए जाते हैं? When cocoon is get ready. When cocoon is get ready. So what is the process? We will boil the cocoons. We will boil the cocoons and then we will get the thread. जो cocoon होता है ना बेटा, उसको boil करते हैं और उसके बाद वो पूरा cocoon का cover हट जाता है और हमें silk का thread मिल जाता है. So this word leather, no leather is leather नहीं. Then cocoon, uniform and hair तो we already wrote 1 and number 2, है ना? Nylon, no, nylon is the artificial thread, है ना? It is a man-made thread. So which is remain? Cocoon, है ना? Silk thread are separated from cocoons. So what is the right answer? The right answer is cocoons. Okay, now let's see number 4. What is number 4? Clothes made from dash are not good for skin. Full stop. Yes, clothes made from dash are not good for skin. So leather, no. Nylon, yes. Cloth from made nylon, it is not good for our skin because it is a artificial thread. It is a artificial thread, है ना? So this is not good for our skin. ये हमारे skin के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता है. When we are wearing nylon, we are not feeling comfortable. और अगर बाय मिस्टेक गलती से आपका आपका आपकी बॉडी पर आग आ जाती है या कुछ चिंगारी आ जाती है तो वो बहुत जल्दी कपड़ा जल जाता है और अपनी स्किन भी बहुत जल्दी इससे जल जाती है ना. सो दिस नायलॉन इज नॉट गुड फॉर आवर स्किन. सो विच वर्ड वी विल राइट? यस ऑफ कोर्स वी विल राइट नायलॉन, है ना. विच वर्ड वी विल राइट? नायलॉन. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज नंबर, let's see what is number 5. Fur and dash comes from animals, full stop. Okay, fur and dash comes from animals. So last what is remain over here? The last wala leather. Leather is remain over here. So we will write which word? We will write the leather, है ना. Okay. So leather I wrote over here. Here we are finishing the fill in the blanks with the word given in the help box. ठीक है. Now once again I will read for you. Fill in the blanks. Children are wearing dash in schools. Yes, children are wearing uniforms in the school. Fleece. Yes, fleece is the hair on a sheep's body. Fleece is the hair on a sheep's body, है ना. Silk thread are separated from cocoons. Silk threads are separated. Separate means अलग करना. From cocoons. Okay, when you will sit together, especially in the starting time, Adya and Chizen was sitting together. Guni and Adya was sitting together. Kunja and Abhay was sitting together. Arav and Advik was sitting together. So sometimes we teachers are not feeling because you are talking very much in the classroom. So what we are doing that time, we separate you. हम आपको अलग अलग करके बिठा देते हैं, है ना. We make you separate and sit you on another place. So here the meaning of separate means अलग करना. ठीक है. Number 4, clothes made from nylon are not good for our skin. Always cotton clothes are very very good for skin. Nylon, rayon, these clothes are not good for our skin because it is a man-made thread. Fur and leather come from what? Yes, animals, है ना. So here we are finishing your exercise number. See, fill in the blanks. Now in our next lecture we will write the question and the answer, है ना. So here I am giving you one homework. This homework is very easy for you. You have to write the names of over here. Who are these people? It means you have to identify these people and you have to write their names in the downside. You have to identify these people and you have to write the names on the downside. So this little homework I am giving you. है ना. Now we will meet on next lecture. And that time get ready with your notebook, with your pencil and eraser, because when we will meet next time we will write the question and the answer of chapter number 3, clothes. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless and keep study. Bye bye.